From the examination point of view, we are going to start cash flow statement, which is very important part of 12th class. One question must be taken in the board from cash flow statement. Now, the cash flow statement is totally based on operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. First of all, you have to prepare a format of cash flow statement, that is cash flow from operating, cash flow from investing, and cash flow from financing. First of all, you have to calculate profit before tax. You have to prepare a working note of profit before tax, that is profit before tax is equal to profit after tax. Add provision for taxation, proposed dividend, transfer to any reserve, deferred tax assets. If decreases, then add deferred tax asset decreased, then you have to add this deferred tax assets. If increase, then deduct, and deferred tax liabilities. If increases, then add in profit, and deferred tax liabilities. If decreases, then deducted. Then you will get profit before tax. Now, after putting profit before tax, you have to add non-fund items which are given in the profit and loss account but not related to actually cash. These all are treated as non-fund items, like depreciation, loss on sale of any asset, anything write off, written off, like goodwill, preliminary expenses, formation expenses. Add finance cost. Finance cost means interest on debentures or interest on loans. This will be your operating profit before change in working capital, and working capital is equal to current assets less current liabilities. Now you have to add increase in current liabilities and decrease in current assets less increase in current assets and decrease in current liabilities. Brackets will represent the sign of minus, less tax paid. If the summation of all these items is plus, for example, plus 70,000, then it will be cash flow from operating activities. If from this calculation you will get minus 50,000, then this is cash used in operating activities. Next item, cash flow from investing. Sale of any asset plus purchases of any assets minus rent received, dividend received, interest received. Means inflow of cash be plus and outflow minus. If you will get plus 50,000, then cash flow from investing. If you will get minus 50,000, then it will be cash used from investing. And the last activity is cash flow from financing activity. Cash flow from financing. Issue of shares and issue of debentures plus redemption of shares and redemption of debentures minus payment of bank overdraft. For example, if opening bank overdraft 10,000 and closing bank overdraft 7,000, then this is payment of bank overdraft. Payment of bank loan. Interest paid. Dividend paid. This is cash flow from financing. After the preparation of operating activities, investing activities and financing activities, you have to adjust cash, means cash flow or cash used from all activities, means opening cash closing cash and cash equivalent. The difference between closing cash and cash equivalent and opening cash and opening cash equivalent will be the same of operating, investing and financing. For example, opening cash 40,000 and closing cash 70,000. 70 minus 40, then cash flow from all activities must be 30,000 plus. For example, cash flow from operating 70, cash used from investing 80 and cash flow from financing 40,000. 70 plus 40 minus 80. 70 plus 40 minus 80 is equal to 30,000. If the difference between opening cash and closing cash be the same from all activities, then your question is correct. Otherwise, there is any mistake in operating, investing or financing activities. Points related to provision for tax and proposed dividend. If no adjustment is given in the question regarding provision for taxation and proposed dividend, current year provision for taxation will be added to profit before tax and last year provision for tax will be deducted from operating activities, means current year provision for tax will be added to profit before tax, provision for tax, and last year will be deducted in the second last point, paid tax, then you will get cash flow from operating activities. And in case of proposed dividend, current year provision for dividend or proposed dividend will be added to profit before tax and last year dividend will not be included in any other activities. It will be contingent. Current year proposed dividend will be added to operating and also deducted from financing. This is our pro forma of cash flow statement. In our next video, we will share the practical questions of cash flow statement. Thank you, students.